Hi, I'm TR, and this is my mid-century ranch home renovation project. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of outside work. We're going to be renovating this little patch of grass here. You can see it's under the shade. It was really thin to start with. The backyard hadn't been watered for a long time, so a lot of this grass has died out. So all I'm going to do is just do a real quick renovation here of this area. So to do that, I picked up some grass seed. This is not sponsored. I was just looking for something that had quite a bit of fescue in it. Fescue is good hardy grass for this area. And that was shade tolerant. So if we look at this, it says it's dense shade, and that's for here. And I think this bag will cover 750 square feet, so we should be in good shape. So basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to rake this to break up the surface. I just want to rough up the surface here. So I will say that I've watered the devil out of this. I added 3 days worth of water. I ran the sprinkler in here for quite a bit. I wanted to get the subsurface really wet. That way I won't have to worry so much about keeping it moist. But over the next week or so, I'll be spraying this a couple times a day to make sure the seeds stay nice and moist. It's supposed to be plenty warm over the next week or so. So we should see pretty good germination. But I'm just gonna take my little garden rake here, and I'm just gonna rake this. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to get the dirt opened up here. If you don't have one of these, you can use a leaf rake. And you get about the same result. Okay, so I got this pretty well done. I'm just going to come back here and just do a little bit more raking. All right, that should do us. Now, so this area looks to be about maybe 200 square feet. And I'm going to go ahead and overseed pretty heavy. Let me get something for this. All right, so I just put this seed in this can here just to help. It's a nice green color, so it's going to be easy to see where it's going. So over here where it's really bare, I'm really loading up on this. Okay, so now that the grass seed spread, I'm just going to come in here and I'm just going to scratch back and forth a little bit. So what I'm trying to do is get the grass seed just and covered up with some soil. You don't have to do much, just a little bit. Just cover it up. First bell, reset, or lunch is almost over. Okie dokie. Feeling pretty good about what we got going on. So let's give everything a quick drink of water. right, so that's pretty much all there is to that. I'll be watering this now twice a day, morning and evening, for the next 5 or 7 days. But I think that's probably it. If you found value in this video, appreciate that thumbs up. Don't forget to share it and subscribe if you're not. I've got a ton more videos still to come in my mid-century ranch home renovation project. So be sure and ring the notification bell and you'll be notified when I do post a new episode. Your support of my Amazon store is greatly appreciated. I've put a link to it and my social media accounts in the description below. You can follow me there for more real-time updates. But for now, it's time to go. Thanks for watching, I sure do appreciate it. Until we get together for another mid-century ranch home renovation project, peace.